Hello everyone. The former Umkhonto weSizwe Party leader Jabulani Khumalo, who made an application in the Electoral Court for reinstatement, is in danger. The matter was heard today and he wants Jacob Zuma to be removed as the leader of Umkhonto weSizwe Party so that he can lead the party. He asked the court in an application to declare the commission's decision invalid and unlawful and set it aside. He also wants the court to order the Electoral Commission of South Africa to record him as president of the party. After the court was adjourned, the people outside the court attacked Jabulani and they were busy throwing things in his car. The leader of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Jacob Zuma, should warn his Umkhonto weSizwe Party members because anything can happen. The current president loves soldiers. Another unrest can happen at any time because they are still complaining about wrecking. A lot of people died in KwaZulu-Natal during July unrest, and the Indians who gunned down and killed a lot of black people in Phoenix are nowhere to be found. The media is mum about it. Maybe they are out and about. Instead, Mdumiseni Zuma was sentenced to 12 years imprisonment for instigating 2021 civil unrest just because he posted a video online where he was heard calling people to loot and burn the Brookside Mall in Pietermaritzburg. This one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.